So we start off today's video with someone who has blonde hair. Looks like she has a nice pixie style and she is in for a cut refresh. So the stylist cleans up the edges, giving her a bit of an undercut. Gorgeous, so pretty. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, haircut ideas, options, and styles that you can play around with this season. Next up, we have this gorgeous all black pixie bob haircut. She does have full bangs in the front with this one. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Wow, this is an absolutely gorgeous hairstyle. And then we do move on to the next one. So the stylist is measuring out her face, really trying to make sure that he does the best hair cutting for her particular face shape. I love the precision within his work. So if you guys haven't guessed by now, she is of course getting some layers. And the way that he did the measurements for this is just absolutely unreal. The cut combined with the color of her hair is just absolutely stunning. So we have a nice shoulder length bob here with some face framing bangs. Looks like the stylist is going in and touching up those roots with some color. So she's actually going to be going darker with this chocolate brown. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love the simplicity of this hair change. Very nicely done. So it looks like we have another bob hair transformation. Nice face framing bangs. Oh wow, this is so cute and chic. And he did a full under curl. Very pretty. Beautiful fresh shoulder length bob style. And then we got a nice pixie refresh cutting. Beautifully done. Alright you guys, so I hope you did find some inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.